Hey everyone, welcome back to Mastr. I am Satya, a professional Java software developer. If you are searching for Java tutorials in 2023, 2024 or later, you are in the right place. And welcome again to our brand new course, Java Masterclass for Beginners. This course is not just for beginners but also for intermediates and professionals who are looking to boost their Java skills and learn programming language. We'll be diving into all the things that you must know, including the exciting latest release Java 21 and all the stuffs in Java world. In this course, I'll guide you throughout core Java. We'll start from the basics by installing Java, setting up our environments and IDE for coding, and we'll be writing our first Java program. You know that. What will be our first program? Absolutely. You are right, that's hello world. And we'll work our way up to the advanced stuff. Don't stress if this is your first time learning coding or Java, or if you already have known any other programming language, that's well. If you haven't, I'm here to help you every step of the way. You will learn by doing and working on real projects. I will also be sharing how the things are different and nice comparing other languages and what's new in Java. By the end of this course, you will understand Java really well. We'll cover how to use Java to create cool stuff, and you will be confident enough to start your own projects. So, are you ready to become a Java pro or to master Java and have fun while doing it? If you said yes, please subscribe the channel and fix your spot for updates and new videos. Thanks for joining Java Masterclass for Beginners. From scratch to master. I can't wait to see you in our first lesson, Intro to Java and its architecture, in which we will be exploring how the Java infrastructure looks like and what are the things that should be our first in the Java world. Keep learning. Thank you. See you next video.